All right, before we go any further, I know y'all gonna say something down in the comments. Yes, I already do have the Brainwaves pads ready to go. Welcome back to Bang, budget and new gear reviews to help you get the best bang for your tech dollars. It's your kinfolk Dookie, and if you're a fan of new gear from a fresh perspective, nah, that didn't feel right.
Hit the like. Hit the like. Yeah, I know, Bust. Yeah, I know, Diddy. They need to subscribe.
Now, after I did my 4-hour, well, it felt like it, 5 headphone review where I took 5 of my favorite studio monitor headphones under the price of $100 and put them head to head, there was one comment that kind of dominated all the other comments, especially about the Superlux HD 668Bs. These got a rep online as a budget audiophile type of headphone where you can get good quality studio monitoring, nice flat overall sound. Well, when I did that video, a lot of comments was like, yo, there's an upgrade to these. There's a new version that's a lot better for cheaper. You know, I'm always about that. So real talk, let's get these up out of here. Everybody was like, yo, pick up the Monoprice Retros. And for a while I was like, I just, you know, I don't know. I didn't believe the hype. Well, I'm here to say, believe the hype. The hype is real. These are the Monoprice Retros, $30 headphones. Actually $30 on Amazon. You can pick these up for $25 right now on Monoprice. I don't know what their shipping and handling is all about, but go ahead and check that out. I'll leave links down below. Now, as we take these out of the box, there's not a lot going on here. You simply have a clean Monoprice box. You open it up, you pull out the headphones themselves, you get a 3-meter cable. You can see I already did a little mod. I got my tidy little Velcro strap up in the mix, and you get the standard 1/4-inch jack to go over the 3.5mm jack. And that's about it. You don't get anything else. All of your $30 goes into the quality of these headphones. Plain and simple. None of the extras and gimmicks and all of that other stuff. You're getting a pair of headphones that if you are a wired headphone user and you're looking for a clean but dynamic somehow pair of headphones, these are definitely worth a go. They're called the Retros because they have that old school retro look. You know, you get this band right here that stretches out, twist and turn, do all of that, stretch out. If your head is bigger than that, I don't know what to tell you. I got a pretty big head and these fit on it easily, very comfortably. They're 50mm drivers and it's a closed back headphone. So the ear cups that are currently on definitely cover my ears. I'm not gonna look at the Vanglorious Jehovah because she always makes fun of my tiny ears. They're really big cups. My ears fit easily within them. You get that full closed back experience when you put these on. It's always gonna be about sound for me, especially when it comes to headphones. As always, when I do these headphone reviews, know that, you know, sound is subjective. You know, I'll try to give my best representation of what I hear to you, but you know, you may get them and feel totally different. But I get a nice overall clean experience that sounds great in the mix. Like the instrumentation is beautiful. To me, a good pair of headphones makes you feel like you're hearing that song for the first time, even if you've heard it a bunch of times. And honestly, with the Retros, from the moment I put them on, I was blown away. Like, yo, there's no way headphones that cost $30, even less than $30, can sound this good. I know I'm the budget king. I done tested a lot of budget stuff, but even still, I couldn't believe that they sounded that good. Oh yeah, like I said, they fit on perfectly. They're not super tight. Like I don't feel a tight clamping force. So if you're gonna headbang or rock out or do something stupid, let's try. Yeah, if you're gonna do that, they're definitely not the tightest. But let's just go ahead and plug these into my phone because you don't need a real powerful amp to drive these. And the fact that the brand new Pixel 3a XL still has a headphone jack, hey, that's a bonus for me. Let's pull up my headphone test playlist. I'll leave a link to this down below. Y'all, if you've seen it in my headphone reviews, you've probably checked this playlist out. Aretha Franklin, Skylark. I've talked about this song before, but let's hear what it sounds like. You can hear the separation. Piano played over here, bass over here. Those vocals come through. Oh man, it's like she's singing right in my head. Nice full soundstage. You usually don't get that with a closed back headphone, but soundstage is nice and full. I honestly feel like I'm there with them while they're recording this. Here we go. Whew. Okay, that was great. Honestly, the mids were so nice. You get to hear the full range of her vocals. The highs were nice and clean. Like, I don't feel like over time I would get fatigued from listening to music with a lot of treble, which is really good on these studio monitor style headphones. You don't want the highs to be fatiguing. Now that song had no bass at all. So now let me pull up something that's got bass. How about My Boo? What about a throwback? Let's go to My Boo for the Vanglorious Jehovah. She can't hear what I'm hearing, but I'm gonna listen to it for her, sing to her, and let her get this glorious experience, you know? Let's go. Give me a call, boo. If your love is strong, gonna give it all to you. At night, I think of you. Ooh, okay, let me stop that. See, to me, these are the type of headphones I like. Now, there are headphones like, if you want to say like the Skull Candy Crushers, or even like my Sony BT950 Pros that are like bass head headphones where they have the enhanced bass, usually by like some type of rumble feature, or it's just enhanced, you know, really pumped up. This right here is just that clean punch. The bass is there. It hits, it kicks. It's not a bass head, super rumbly, cans in the trunk type of bass. It's more of an actual representation of what I think the bass should sound like. Now, before I wrap this up and give y'all my final thoughts, let's go ahead and do that little mod I was talking about. Most people replace these AirPads with something from Brainwaves. Shout out to the good folks over at Brainwaves because they already hooked your boy up. It's like they knew what was gonna happen once I heard about these and I got a pair in my hand. I'm gonna snap my fingers and let's see if this works. And boom, there we have it. We have replaced them with some extra large white ear pads from Brainwaves. Like I said, big shout out to the folks over at Brainwaves, and these just fit so lovely on here. Let's try them on and see what they feel like. Oh man. Oh man, it's just, I've said it before, I'll say it again. It's just like having two like big old breastises just on the side of your head. No, but let's wrap it up. Now, let's talk about what I don't like. Honestly, the only thing I really don't like about these headphones is the fact that this cable is not detachable. It would be nice if this cable was detachable. You can either switch it out with another cable or just, you know, for traveling, if you just wanted a smaller cable to plug right into your phone instead of this 3-meter long cable, but I digress. Honestly, I like these headphones for the price, for the sound. I like the retro style look. It got even better when I added these nice big breastises ear pads. Do yourself a favor. Look, I'm gonna look into the camera real emotionally. Do yourself a favor. Pick up a pair. Do me a favor. Leave a comment down below. Hit the like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends to tell their friends that it's your kinfolk Dookie. And never forget to holler at your boy. Say bye, Cookie.
Bye, Cookie.
What's good with it? Welcome back to Bang. Budget and New Gear. What is it?
You know the name of your station?
I don't know what I'm supposed to do now. What do I do with my hands?